everyone, welcome back to a new video. So in today's video we are going to see how a data viewer list component in Thunkable works. So let's begin. First we will add the component data viewer list. Then we will select the data source. The data source I will add, create new. So there are three options: create your own table, Airtable and Google Sheet. So we would be selecting Google Sheet. So we will select a sheet. So this is our sheet Jaipur which we need. So it is added. So we will create it. So now you can see now the table. So there is only one table, sheet 1. Now let me show you the spreadsheet. So this is our spreadsheet. Here these are the links of images, and these are the names and addresses of the monuments in Jaipur. So I will give the link of this in the description box. You can just copy the spreadsheet and do it. So now list item layout. So we will choose this one. Now get image property. Image property we will be getting from images column, name title from name column, and subtitle from address. This is left swipe, right swipe. If you want, you can label them. So now we will go to blocks. In blocks there is not just a big code, it's just a small code. Nothing much would not be required. So here comes the blocks. From here we just have to select when data viewer list item click. We will take a variable, initialize variable row id to null. So after that we will say you have to add a screen. Yeah. Now we will say set app variable row id to row id. Then we will navigate to screen 1. So now let's move to the designing of screen 2. Here it should be screen 2, not screen 1. Sorry. Now screen 2. Now we will first do the designing. So in designing there is not much. We just need an image, not an image recognizer, image, and two labels which should be beneath the image. And one more. Okay, it is going upwards, so we'll bring it at the bottom. Yeah, so now we will rename it to no need of renaming. So this is our first label, this is our second label. So that's it. Now we'll go to blocks. I forgot, we will do this vertical alignment space around. Now we will go to the blocks. So now the code would be when screen 1 starts, then picture 2 will get it from data sources. Variable app variable row id. Now we will just control C, control V. We'll see control V, control V. We will change it to label 2 and this to label 1. Now to text, this also to text. Now we will just make the changes. We do not require image. We will get it from name and this from address. Just wait. Yeah. So this was, yeah. Now first. So now here it comes. So let me click on any one of that. Let's say Niagara Fort. So see, you will just see Niagara Fort, the image, Niagara Fort and the address. So this was how you use this data viewer list component. If you want, you can add a back button also to screen 2, which will navigate to screen 1 again. So this was how we use the data viewer list component. You can do the same using data viewer grid also. So thank you. Please like, share, subscribe, and please tell me the next topic in the comment section. Bye bye for now.